Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could get some free Discord orbs in order to unlock free Discord Nitro through the new Black Phone 2 Discord activity quest. Now recently, if not 2 days ago, Discord released an activity quest for Valorant for this teddy bear avatar decoration, and all you have to do was vote for a team. But in this case, they've actually released another puzzle game, similar to the Mission Impossible Reckoning video that I did, where you had to defuse a bomb for Discord Nitro. This one is a puzzle, and we are going to be doing this quest completely blind. I've never done this quest before, and I don't know how to do or solve this puzzle, so we're going to solve it together and get the reward. And all you're going to do, of course, as always, you're going to go to the Discovery tab, which is on the left side of your Discord screen. You're going to go to the Quest tab, which is underneath the Discovery tab. You might have to scroll down a bit because they do have a lot of different quests, but once you scroll down enough, you'll see the Black Phone 2 quest, and it'll say Launch Quest in Discord. All you're going to do is click on this. It's going to open up a DM for the puzzle, and then you'll just authorize the bot to access your account. So all we're going to do is click on Start, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to make this full screen. Alright, so it looks like the first thing we're going to do is grab the flashlight. Also, it says in the bottom right, 40,000 has grabbed the flashlight so far, so there are, like, this literally released probably a few hours ago, so quite a few people have been hopping on this. Nice, they got 3D physics here, like any other spooky game. Oh, and you could pan it around to see the environment. That's cool. Use. Oh, okay. Cool. Can I walk around? No, okay. It's just a point and click game, which I love. Can we open this? Okay, we could walk to it. We could also pick up this, red flower, feather. Take. You and 32,000 found a collectible. So there are collectibles. Oh, there's different flowers. Or feathers. Why do I keep saying flowers? I think there's actually more here. So I'm not sure if there is a bonus for collecting all of these feathers, but we are going to try and do it anyways, just because why not? Is there any other feathers? I don't think so. On the roof? Oh, there's some hidden. How do we get to it? Oh, we could grab it? So if I walk over here... Oh, come on. Okay, we got this feather. I'm going to check one more time on this right just to see if there is a feather on the top of this. Okay, there's nothing else. Okay, let's go to this phone here. Wake up. Oh, web feather on the ground. Is there any? Oh, there's one hidden. All right, we got all the feathers. Nice. You found all the hidden feathers. 6,000 others have as well, and there's actually titles. That's cool. All right, let's answer it.
What do you think happens when you die?
Oh, jump scare. Let's pick up my flashlight again. Also, I really like how the light interacts with the camera. It's really cool. We're gonna pick it up again. Oh, uh-oh. That's a hand. And it's gone. Okay. I hear knocking. That is not good. We have a service number as well as a keyhole. Maybe I just have to dial it. So 3, 2, 5, 9, 7. That did not do anything. Nothing else to click but the numbers in the phone. Okay, I'm gonna try the number again. 3, 2, 5, 9, 7. There we go. Now it worked. Alright, looks like we got Hangman. We got a key. Take the key. Unlock it. Oh, we have a jaw. A jawbone. It's nice. Your teeth. Dental program. Dial the missing. Well, what are we missing? Oh, dial the missing teeth probably in the jawbone. So it looks like we have the 2nd to 4th, the 6th and the 8th. So we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. If I had to guess. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we solved. Oh. We have a balloon. Hello, balloon. Oh no. The grabber. Oh, where'd I go? Did I grab this? Nope, that's not what I need. Torn leaflet. I don't know what that means. We have a wallet. Open it. We have a coin. Take. Maybe if we go back in the phone booth, we could. Oh. No! It's the 10-cent coin. I gotta put in the other one. Oh gosh. 10 cent. Ah, there we go. 33 888. 3 3 8 8 8.
Did you think that our story was over? You of all people know that dead is just a word.
Dialed the final number. Wake up. Is that it? There it is. Quest complete. You were in the title Awake. We completed the quest in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. We found all 8 feathers. And we unlocked the quest reward. Well, that wasn't too bad. It was relatively similar in difficulty to the bomb puzzle quest. So now that we've done that, we can... by the way, if you like that quest, please leave it in the comments what you thought about it. We're going to click on Claim Reward. Verify yourself. And now we got the orbs. And if you go to the orbs shop by clicking Open the Shop, we can see here on the first thing here, there is 3-day Nitro credit. And you need 1,400 Discord orbs. Now that quest gave us 700. But there are plenty of other quests, like for example this perplexity thing. It's simply a trailer quest. You could watch it. You get 700. But there's many other ones that you can do, as well as other ones that will probably come up that you could do for 700 for completely free and very, very quickly. And then you could buy some Nitro for 3 days, and this Nitro will last for the 3 days. It'll give you all of these Nitro perks, like any Discord Nitro would give you. But either way, that is the Black Phone 2 puzzle quest. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for 2,500 subscribers, because that is a milestone. That's a pretty large milestone. That is a quarter of the way to 10,000. And we are 500 away from 3,000. So once we hit 3,000, I'll be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners in my Discord server. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video, as well as if you enjoyed the puzzle that we did, as well as if you want to see more Discord tutorials. It's a great thing to subscribe to support me, as well as to join my Discord server if you have any further questions. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Once again, tell me what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial / limited video. Bye-bye.